Homeo Guru. Please subscribe our channel. Press bell icon to get continuous updates about new videos. Topic based video part 31. Practice of medicine. Bodies. Asteroid bodies seen in sarcoidosis. Ashoff bodies in rheumatic fever. Bar bodies inactivated X chromosomes. Brassy bodies seen in malaria. Civete bodies seen in lichen planus. Creola bodies, bronchial asthma. Councilman bodies, yellow fever. Colexner bodies, granulosa cell tumor. Ferruginous bodies, asbestosis. Hirano bodies, Alzheimer's disease. Henderson-Peterson bodies, molluscum contagiosum. Haynes bodies, G6PD deficiency. Lafora bodies, myoclonic epilepsy. Lewy bodies, seen in Parkinson's disease. Negri bodies, rabies. Taurus bodies, yellow fever. Gamma Gandhi bodies, seen in Congestive Splenomegaly and Sickle cell disease. Samama bodies, seen in papillary carcinoma of thyroid, adenocarcinoma of kidney, papillary tumor of ovary, and meningiomas. Mallory bodies, seen in alcoholic hepatitis, Indian childhood cirrhosis, primary biliary cirrhosis, and Wilson's disease. MCQs. Civeta bodies seen in eczema, hepatitis, lichen planus, endodermal sinus tumor. Answer: lichen planus. Creola bodies seen in bronchiectasis, bronchial asthma, bronchitis, and pneumonia. Answer: bronchial asthma. Negri bodies seen in yellow fever, rabies, coronavirus, and hepatitis. Answer: rabies. Samama bodies seen in papillary carcinoma of thyroid, meningiomas, both of these, and none of these. Answer: both. Lafora bodies are seen in myoclonic epilepsy, asbestosis, both of these, and none of these. Answer: myoclonic epilepsy. Thank you.